Welcome to Cozy Corner, our vignette. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Design with Emma. Co-host are May's Design Corner and myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Any other participants will be listed in the description box. Okay, we are in my daughter's bedroom where there are many plants and greenery, and it has a shabby chic flair to it. Now, most of this my daughter has painted or made herself. So we just added some extra plants to the room and decorated the tops of the table. So there's several vignettes. So I'm going to take you on a tour. So in this corner we have a shelf and a picture frame where my daughter has put her jewelry on. And there's a bird cage, a little picture of a truck with some flowers in the back, a little plant. And then we have this pumice plant in a big white vase here in the corner. And then on the dresser top, she added a scarf, a good smelling candle, a jar with some beads in it, a little book, and another vase with some greenery in it. And this really pretty mirror above the dresser. Okay, and then the bed area here, we have a plant in the corner. We have a wreath up here, which is beautiful. Beautiful peach colors. A live plant. And then here on the table, we have a small plant in a glass vase, a book with a perfume bottle, and a lamp. And then above the lamp, we have some greenery hanging. And something my daughter and I both worked on is taking this tree limb and adding some greenery and some lights, and then we shredded pieces of sheer and then hung it to the tree limb and also added some little fairy lights. And then we just pulled it back to make it look like a curtain, and then there's a really pretty canvas flower print that I got at the Dollar General. I believe that's supposed to be a magnolia flower. So I think this looks really nice. And I wanted to share it because I thought it looked really unique. It has, like I said, a little bit of a shabby chic look and a little bit of a bohemian look as well. And here we have a little pink flower arrangement, another lamp, and then this Asian lady picture that my daughter painted and used some scrap papers to make her clothing out of. I think that looks so good. And then on this table, which was once a sewing cabinet, there's a couple of scarves. And she's hung some of her clothing here on the back of the door, which I think is really cute. That's her style, shabby chic. More greenery, another look at the tree limb, shabby chic curtain banner. And another plant here next to the bed. Can't have too many plants. And then there's a basket of books underneath it. Now do stay tuned till the end because I will be moving the curtains to a different area in the room. And as far as the bedding, it's a pink flowery quilt with a pink throw at the end. So here's an overview of everything one more time. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. And if you like this kind of content, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now. wanted to come back and show you that she moved the Shabby Chic curtain to her window. She added some more beads and also cut it at an angle and made it smaller to fit the window. And I think it looks a lot better in front of the window rather than above the bed. But let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.